In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a buy stop order on MetaTrader 5. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 and look toward the top of the platform. You'll need to click on New Order to open the order window. This is where you can choose the type of trade you want to place and enter all of the details for your pending order. Once the order window appears, bind the order type section and click on Stop Order on the left side. This is important because a buy stop order is a type of pending order that is only activated when price moves up to a specific level. In other words, you are telling the platform to open a buy trade only if the market reaches a higher price than where it is trading right now. Next, enter the price where you want the buy order to be placed or triggered. For a buy stop order, this trigger price must always be above the current market price. That's what makes it different from other pending order types. Traders often use this kind of order when they expect the market to continue rising after breaking through a certain level. After that, you can optionally set a stop loss and a take profit. The stop loss is the price level that helps limit your losses if the market moves against you. The take profit is the level where the trade will automatically close once your profit target is reached. Setting these in advance can help you manage risk and avoid having to monitor the trade constantly. You can also choose an expiration if you want the order to be cancelled automatically at a certain time. This can be useful if you only want the order to remain active during a specific trading session or until a certain market event. When all your settings are entered, click Place. This sends your pending buy stop order to the platform so it can wait for the market to reach your chosen trigger price. Here's a quick example to help make this clearer. Let's say the current EUR/USD price is 1.200. You might enter your order price above that current market level because a buy stop must be triggered above the current price. You can then set your stop loss at 1.160 and your take profit at 1.1230, depending on your trading plan. Once everything looks correct, click on Buy below to confirm the order. Before placing any order, always double check the price levels to make sure your entry, stop loss, and take profit match your strategy. That small review can help prevent mistakes and make your trading process much smoother.